Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to start a new project in Premiere Pro. When you open a Premiere Pro, you can see this screen. Then you can start a new project here, or also you can open your old project from here. So I'm going to start a new project. Click here, rename it project create. See, we already create our project, so you can import our footage from here. So also we can take a new sequence, right click on new sequence. Okay, then we already have a sequence created. This is then okay, so sequence is created. Now we can drag and drop footage here. See? Okay. Hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.